Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making this beautiful handkerchief skirt for a 2 years old baby. So if this is something you're interested in learning how to make, just keep watching and let's get into it. Hi, welcome back. So guys, for you to be able to make this particular skirt, you'll be needing an elastic for the waistband, and then you'll be needing a fabric. So you can make use of less than 1 yard of a fabric or 1 yard of a fabric for this particular skirt from 6 months old to 2 years, 3 years can wear this particular skirt that I make. So the first thing you have to do is to go ahead and fold your fabric into two like this. So once you are done folding your fabric into two, as you can see, you now go ahead and fold it again into two. Now you have a 4 fold, as you can see. So let's go ahead and see it. So our piece is folded into 4, as you can see it here. Now at this other part, your fabric doesn't have any opening there, it's all closed up. Then at this part, we are going to be using it to take our waist circumference. You can see that every part is closed up. Now the down is open. We are going to make use of that closed part for our upper waist circumference. Now for this particular skirt, you will notice that a baby of 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, their waist circumference always fall around that 20 to 22 inches because mostly their waist is bigger than their hip. Now I'm going to be making use of 22 inches. Then I'll go ahead and add extra 5 inches for that 22 inches. Then after that, I'll be dividing it by 6.28. Now for the waist circumference, if you make use of 4 inches, is going to fit perfectly. So I mark 4 inches for the waist circumference, that is the waist opening. So what I use 27 inches divided by 6.28, and I got 4 inches. So I mark 4 inches for the waist circumference. This particular circumference can fit from 6 months old to 3 years and even possibly 4 years old baby, depending on the size of the child. Now after marking that, now I'm going to be taking the length of our skirt, but before then I'll be minusing the length of my waistband. So I'm making use of 1.5 inches elastic. You can make use of 1 inches elastic, is fine. So I'll place my tape like this and minus 1.5 inches for my waistband. Then I'll be marking 11 inches for my skirt length. This 11 inches is perfectly fine for 6 months to 2 years, 3 years old baby. Now I'll go ahead and mark it at this other part as well, 11 inches. As you can see, we didn't take this as a circle, we just took this to be in a block format. Now go ahead and rule out your line and rule out your lines again to connect it. So now I want to just make that part to have a V shape, the V shape to be very, very pronounced. So I'm just going to be connecting it like this to the remaining part of my fabric, as you can see. So I just wanted that part to have this V shape so that the handkerchief design will be very, very pronounced. So that was it. So once you are done doing that, you go ahead and cut out the shape you have there like this. So I'm done cutting it. You can see what the shape is looking like. You can see the V is Ving. Now go ahead and cut out your waist circumference, and that is all for the cutting of the skirt. I'll just notch that center part. It's not that necessary, but I'll just notch it so that when I'm joining my waistband, I'll have somewhere to join from. Now this is what the skirt is looking like. If you open it up, you can see how the shape is looking like. Now go ahead and take the round waist circumference for you to confirm what you are having there. Go ahead and take the round waist for you to confirm what you are having there like this. So once you are done confirming what you're having there, you now go ahead and bring in the fabric you are going to be using for your waistband. Now I'll be making use of this black fabric because my fabric wasn't enough to cut out the waistband, and I just wanted to make use of another color as well for the waistband. Now you can see the length of this piece is 28, but our waist is 27. Now the width is 2 inches. Remember that our waistband is 1.5 inches. So half inches is to join this piece to the main skirt. Now go ahead and close that part up like this, and this is what we have. Once we are done closing it, this is what it's looking like. So now you go ahead and close round that part like this. Then you'll be leaving around 2 to 3 inches for an opening where you'll be passing your elastic waist, or when you're passing your elastic through into the waistband. Now this is our elastic, and remember that the waist we make use of is 22 inches. So in that 22 inches, we'll be removing 5 inches from it. So I'll be cutting 17 inches for the waistband, so that I don't want this elastic to be so tight on the baby. So I just remove 5 inches from it, and I'll go ahead and mark those parts. When I was done marking those parts, so I'll be using my office and my safety pin to pass this through that waistband that I have. So I'll just go ahead and pass it through like this, as you can see. So I'll just pass it through and bring it out at that other opening like this. Then you are going to be placing this elastic overlap like this and close it up. So when I was done closing it up, I close up that hole also that I passed it through. Now it's now time to go ahead and add it to our skirt. So I'll just go ahead and notch the two parts of the elastic, the waistband like this. Then I'll be joining one part like this at this point. Joining one part like this at this point, then I'll be joining the other part like this too on this point. Then I'll just go ahead and sew it through. So while sewing this, make sure you are dragging this so that it can match up with your waist of your skirt. So guys, this is what our beautiful handkerchief skirt is looking like. So this skirt is just looking so beautiful. You can see that handkerchief effect. Then the last thing for you to do is to go ahead and hem the down part of the skirt like this. So I'm done with this skirt, and this is what the final look is looking like. So thank you guys so much for stopping by. Thank you, and see you guys on our next